Hello guys, my name is Babatunde Arolo, and today I'm going to be talking about writing an equation of a line, given its slope and y-intercept. Okay, so in this type of question, what is being asked for us is for us to basically give the equation of a particular line, right? And we're going to be given specific entities like the y-intercept and the slope, right? And we're going to use these entities to just plug in the equation of the line, right? So let's look at it. Let's get to it. So this question says write an equation in slope intercept form for the line y-intercept y and slope minus 2 over 5, right? So this, okay, let me put that out. This is y equals mx plus c, right? This is the equation of a line. I really appreciate it if you can write this down. This is an equation of a line in slope intercept form, right? This is basically just saying, this is basically just giving us the idea of how lines work, like how lines run and everything that's to do with them, right? So basically this, when this these points are, don't let it confuse, this is just the equation, right? So this y and this x are just points on the graph, like some points on the graph in based on the line, right? So in this question, it won't really matter. We're just gonna leave them as they are based on this question, right? But what is the only thing that's gonna matter are this and this, right? Okay, so the m in this case is equals to the slope, right? And the c equals to the y-intercept, right? Okay, so basically what you're gonna do here is whatever you see here, you're gonna read the question, and whatever you see here, you're gonna replace it over here in this equation, right? Okay, so let's look at this. Remember, I said the y and the x, we're just gonna leave them as they are. The only thing that's gonna change are m and c, right? So let's look at that. So this is y equals m is the slope, right? So we're gonna look at the we're going to read the questions again. It says write an equation in slope intercept form for the line with y-intercept 7 and slope minus 2 over 5, right? And we know m is the slope, right? So we have to replace m with minus 2 over 5, right? So that's saying y equals, because now we replace m with minus 2 over 5, right? So that will be minus 2 over 5. And then remember the x remains the same and the y. So we don't do anything. X, and then plus, and then the c equals to the y-intercept, right? So the y-intercept is the c. So we know based on this question, the y-intercept is a 7, right? So we're going to say plus 7, right? So it's really easy. All you have to do is you read the questions carefully, and then you plug in the values that you have in here. You're going to plug it in into this slope intercept equation, right? So let's look at let's plug that in. So this is y equals, then minus 2x divided by 5 plus 7. Check that out. Yeah. All right, so let's go for more practice and let's see. So yeah, you can pause the video and kind of like walk through it and test your knowledge on it, right? Okay, so let's work this out. So this is saying write an equation in slope intercept form for the line with slope 3 over 4 and y-intercept 3, right? Okay, so based on the what we did in the past, right, we're going to do the same thing here also, right? We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to plug in values for slope and also values for the y-intercept, right? So for the values of the slope, in this case, so let me clean this out. Oh no, right? So for the values for the slope in this case of the, okay, this one is the old question, right? Okay, so for the values of the slope in this case, we know the slope is a 3 over 5, right? So we have to replace m here, which is the slope, with 3 over 5, 3 over 4, my bad. So this is y equals, so replace m with 3 over 4, that would be 3 over 4x, right? Because the y and the x, they never change, they just remain there. Then plus, we know the y-intercept here is 3, right? Because it's c is here also. So all we have to do is just plug in 3. So this would be y equals 3 over 4, 3 over 4 x plus 3. Check that out. Yeah. Alright, so thank you very much for watching the video, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and have a nice day.